Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There is a systematic approach to restoring power. Some members may have power restored within 2 or 3 days. Other members may take longer because of their remote locations and the amount of work required to repair the lines.
Take our lead.
As the USDA notes in Keeping Food Safe During an Emergency, your refrigerator will keep food safe for up to 4 hours during a power outage. Discard refrigerated perishable foods such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and leftovers after 4 hours without power. After a power outage, never taste food to determine its safety. 28 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.